31 HPCL domestic cylinder there. So this dry surprise inspection was conducted under the supervision of our controller Arun Panchwadkar and our assistant controller Nitin Purushan Margaon. They were monitoring actually. Under their direction this raid was conducted. So they have given a direction that so and so thing has to be checked out as per. So periodic आमचे verification inspection असता. So based on that आज आम्ही HP Gas Agency Bandekar Enterprises तेजे surprise inspection केले. So total 53 cylinders were there at this office premises and one rickshaw was there which was supposed to be delivered to the Dabolim area. So we have checked based on our scales. Then under 31 out of 53, 31 cylinders were underweight actually. So whatever is the prescribed error asa pay teja peksha chad ahle error, means the weight was around less in weight was around 700 to 1.8 kg sumar. So all 31 cylinder as per procedure we have seized and it is detained for further investigation. Based on that, like we will be writing a letter to the company and further procedure will be conducted by the department. We have seizure has been issued to that whoever is the company Bandekar Enterprises and further investigation will take place actually. So already 31 cylinder is taken into our custody. Yeah, आमचे regular drive चालू असता. Recently last month like we have conducted for gas cylinder in Vasco also gas agency, but nothing was today like we have identified 31. So regular drive चालू असता department चे. Every month schedule असता different types of enforcement drive.